Okay, so the first question here is question 12. I'm just going to pull some scrap paper out so that I can keep things a little bit more organized. Okay, so question 12. Usually this one is an acceptability question, so it's just which one of the following is acceptable. And yes, that's true in this case. They have followed the original rule that we have to have 3 fish and 2 plants. So let's make sure that they have followed the additional rules with the triggers. So if we have G, we can't have H. That eliminates A. If we have H, we cannot have K. So that eliminates E. If we have J, we must have W. Or sorry, if we have H, we must have K. My bad. Okay, so D is out because we have H but we don't have K, and E is back in. Sorry, so that was rule 1 eliminated A, rule 2 eliminated D. Rule 3 is that if we have J, we have to have W, so we can eliminate C for breaking that rule. And rule 4 is if we have K, we have to have X. So B follows that rule and E does not. So E can be eliminated because it breaks rule 4. And B is the correct answer. So for B, what do we have? We have G, J, and K are in for the fish, and then for plants, we have W and X. And then the fish that are out are H and L, and the plants that are out are Y and Z. So if we have G, we can't have H and we can't have Y, right? Good. If we have H, we have K, but we don't have H, so that rule doesn't apply. If we have J, we have to have W, we've followed that rule, and if we have K, we have X. Excellent. So I've completed this both using the process of elimination based on finding the rule breakers, and then I've also double checked that my final solution here actually follows all of the rules, so I can say that's my final answer and move on. And I also have an acceptable solution for my bank of acceptable solutions.